Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Under the deck, Four of Swords with Ten of Wands and the Sun. I think, Scorpio, you are feeling overburdened. Your emotions are running high. You can't control your emotions anymore. Yes. That's why you are taking rest. You are healing. Four of Swords energy. You are doing meditation to heal yourself from past hurts. So, right now, for some, you both are in no contact situation. If you are in relationship with this person right now, this is on and off. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the Hierophant, clarification cards, death, Ace of Pentacles, and the Star. So, yeah, from recent past, you were separated. There is separation between you and your person, especially due to commitment or marriage. I think there are some commitment issues or stability issues between you and your person. I think you're still hoping for new beginnings with this person because the star and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Aquarius or Cancer, especially. So you're still hoping. At the same time, you are concentrating on new opportunities, especially in career. Ace of Pentacles. I think you are more concentrating on your abundance, Scorpio. And it's your reading and it's your card here. And then present Seven of Pentacles and clarification cards, Knight of Swords, the Fool, and Empress. So there is some waiting game is going. You fed up with this waiting energy. Still they putting you in, keep putting you in waiting, and someone is rushing to communicate with you. So you want to be in this energy, the full energy, living in the present moment and going with the flow. You don't want this stuck energy anymore, and you want to be independent emotionally, and you want to stand by your power. And the woman in this connection could be pregnant or having kids. So someone is rushing to communicate with you and they want brand new beginnings. Then future, you are in Seven of Wands energy, clarification cards, Chariot, Five of Cups, and Three of Wands. So you turn your back from your person. You are very defensive. Even though you're still missing them, you're still feeling sad without them, but you are taking your power back. Seven of Wands. And you started moving on. For some, you started moving on from this pain. At least you are trying to overcome this pain. Five of Cups energy, but somewhere some part of you still wanting this person back into your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Scorpio. Yeah, I think you both are on the same page. They are also taking rest and healing, and they want to communicate with you. And for some, you both have age differences. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Scorpio. Okay. Clarification cards. their intentions. Page of Pentacles, clarification cards, Justice, and Three of Wands. Under the deck, Judgment with Ace of Swords. There is some communication is coming with clarity, some truth coming out. They are also missing you and they will make some decision. This is the decision time. Definitely they will make some decision regarding this relationship, Scorpio. So their current feelings, King of Cups, clarification card, Eight of Cups, and the Star. So definitely they do love you. They have strong emotions towards you. Even though they walked away from this connection in past, now they have regrets. Now they are feeling guilty. So definitely you both are on the same page. They are also hoping. They want to be with you. So definitely they want to offer their cup of love to you. And their intentions, Page of Pentacles, clarification cards, Three of Wands, and Justice. So there is no balance in this connection right now, but they want to offer balance. And they also want some positive growth in this relationship. I think you both are mirroring each other, definitely, because Three of Wands. They want second chances with you. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Aquarius or Libra. They want second chances. If they did hurt you, definitely they want to say apology to you. So Scorpio, they want second chances. They're missing you so much. Yeah, they're missing you so much. They do love you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, they are heartbroken without you. They want passionate new beginnings. They do love you. They want passionate new beginnings. I think you're both mirroring each other a lot, Scorpio. I think you're being very patient. You're balancing things in your life. Now you know how to control your emotions and patience. I think you are waiting for equal give and take. I think in past they treated you as an option, they ghosted you, or they cold shouldering you. But you are being patient in these recent times. Definitely you want equal give and take in this relationship, Scorpio. Yeah, you are missing them. You're still missing them. So let's see mutual energies between you and your person. Maybe you're waiting for right time. Patience is the key here. And you want balance in this connection. Okay. Lot of spying is going. Maybe you both are spying on each other. You both missing each other a lot. Yeah, lot of spying and a lot of missing is going. Yeah, definitely both thinking about each other a lot. Lot of spying and lot of missing is going right now. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Lot of abundance is coming. Trust issues. Retreat. So lot of abundance is coming. Trust issues, retreat, and passion. So the messages are passion, lot of abundance is coming, trust issues, and retreat. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. Be bold and make the first move. So if you're waiting for a sign from the universe to make a move towards your person, for some this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. So let's see another message. Nothing will come of the situation. Yeah, for some it will take some time because you both are spying and missing each other a lot. For some it will take some time to fix things between both of you. So take what resonates and you are good enough under the deck. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.